हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर वीडियो। आज का टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है एक ऐसे मॉन्यूमेंटल जजमेंट पे which has had a profound impact, or you can say a monumental impact upon the workplace sexual harassment law. Well, you guessed it right. I'm talking about none other than the Vishakha versus the state of Rajasthan case law. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे the facts of the case. The facts of the case revolves around a social worker in Rajasthan who was made a target for her efforts in the prevention of child marriage, wherein she was gang raped by 5 men from the Gujjar community. In spite of filing a complaint, the trial court had acquitted the accused, which thereby led to a great hue and cry and protest, as well as filing of a public interest litigation before the Supreme Court of India. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे the issues at hand. The first issue being whether the absence or a lack of a legislative framework in connection to addressing sexual harassment at workplace has led to the violation of a woman's fundamental right. The second issue being whether the apex court can establish certain guidelines in order to prevent sexual harassment at workplace till the time an appropriate legislation comes into effect. Last, whether sexual harassment at the workplace violates the fundamental rights in connection to Article 19, 14 and 21 of the Constitution of India. Now, let's discuss the decision held by the Apex Court of India. The Apex Court established certain guidelines known as the Vishakha guidelines in order to address the issues pertaining to sexual harassment at workplace, wherein it directed the establishment of complaint committees by the employers in an organization in order to address the issues of sexual harassment at the workplace. Further, the guidelines directed implementation of measures to be taken for spreading awareness on sexual harassment as well as for procedures to report it. Moreover, the Apex Court gave a precise definition on the term sexual harassment, and that it is the responsibility of the employer to ensure that the working space is safe and protected and that disciplinary actions are taken against the wrongdoer. In addition to this, the Supreme Court of India also held that sexual harassment at the workplace also leads to the violation of Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution of India. और ऐसे ही सारे educative और informational content के लिए don't forget to follow our account which is True Legal Assist.